Have you ever wondered why failure seems to follow you around like a shadow? It's a question that might resonate with many of us. Failure, in its many forms, is a universal experience. No matter who we are or what we do, at some point we all stumble. We all fall short. We all fail. This failure can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. It can leave us feeling defeated, demoralized, and doubting our own capabilities. It can make us question our worth and our potential. It can feel like a heavy burden that we carry around, a constant reminder of our shortcomings. But here's a thought. What if we've misunderstood the role of failure in our lives? What if we've been viewing it through the wrong lens? What if failure isn't a doom-laden shadow, but a guiding light? But what if failure isn't the end of the road, but rather a stepping stone to success? When you stumble, do you stay down or do you get back up? This question leads us to the heart of understanding failure. It's a universal experience, something that every one of us faces at some point in our lives. But what really matters isn't the failure itself, it's our response to it. You see, our perspective on failure can drastically shape our reaction to it. If we view failure as a dead end, a final verdict on our abilities, then it can become a heavy weight that holds us back. But if we instead see failure as a stepping stone, a chance to learn and grow, it can become a powerful tool for self-improvement. Imagine if Thomas Edison had given up after his first few attempts at inventing the light bulb. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." And look where that perspective led him. So failure isn't a stop sign, it's a learning opportunity. Now, imagine being equipped with a roadmap to navigate the terrain of failure. Failure, as daunting as it may seem, is an essential part of our journey. Indeed, it's a stepping stone to success, and the first practical step to overcoming failure is acceptance. Acceptance, however, doesn't mean resignation. It means acknowledging that you've stumbled without letting it define your worth. It's about separating the event of failure from your identity. You are not a failure. You've merely experienced a setback. Next, extract the lessons from the experience. Each failure carries a unique set of lessons, and it's your job to uncover them. Ask yourself, what could I have done differently? What did I learn about myself, my skills, my approach? The answers to these questions are the silver linings, the valuable insights that can only be gained through experiencing failure. Now that you've accepted and learned from your failure, it's time to use it as a catalyst for growth and improvement. You see, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. It's a chance to reassess, to refine, to grow. So take the lessons you've learned, apply them, and chart a new course towards your goal. But what if you fail again? Well, that's where persistence comes in. Persistence is about continuing on your journey despite the setbacks. It's about understanding that the path to success is rarely a straight line. It's about embracing the struggle, knowing that it's making you stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Speaking of resilience, it's another crucial element in overcoming failure. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to get back on your feet after a fall. It's about not letting failure deter you from your path, but using it to fuel your determination and drive. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Each time you rise, you're one step closer to your goal, one step closer to success. So, embrace the journey, embrace the failures, and keep moving forward. So what if failure wasn't something to be feared, but something to be embraced? Imagine a world where we all understand that stumbling is not a sign of weakness, but a stepping stone on the path to success. We have journeyed through the impact of failure, its understanding, and practical steps to overcome it. Now, it's time to wrap it all up. Failure, my friends, is not the enemy. It's a natural part of life, an essential component of our growth and development. It's not about falling down, it's about getting up, dusting yourself off, and learning from the experience. Each failure is a lesson, a chance to grow, to improve, to strive. It's a teacher, a mentor, guiding us towards our goals. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. And on this journey, failure is not a roadblock, but a detour to a better route. Next time failure comes knocking at your door, welcome it in, learn from it, and use it as a stepping stone to reach your goals.